Imagine this ant just found a huge piece of bread. Now imagine this bread is a big piece of data that needs to be sent somewhere. But the bread is too big for one ant to carry. Just like in computer networks, large data cannot always be sent all at once, so the ants break the bread into small pieces. In networking, we do the same thing. Large data is broken into smaller pieces called packets. Each ant carries one crumb, just like each packet travels separately through the network. At every intersection, the ant chooses a path. In computer networks, this is similar to a router deciding the path of a packet. Sometimes ants face obstacles on the way. In networking, packets may also experience delays while traveling. The crumbs arrive at the destination colony, just like data packets arriving at the destination computer. The ants arrange the crumbs back into the original bread. Similarly, the destination computer reassembles all packets back into the original data. The next time you send a message online, remember that it might be traveling just like these ants carrying crumbs through the forest.